Hi, assalamu alaikum to all the beautiful viewers. We are once again in the kitchen, and today Mama Bear is going to be making some aloo methi for all of you beautiful viewers. And for those that don't know what aloo methi is, it's basically potatoes with fenugreek, and trust me, it tastes absolutely amazing. Every time Mom makes this, every one of us kill it off, so it's beautiful, it's amazing. We're gonna go straight into it. Let's go show you the ingredients. After the ingredients, time to cook some aloo methi. Let's do this.
Pure olive oil.
Okay guys, so you want to put half cup of pure olive oil into the pan. Let that heat up for a while. Once it's slightly warm, that's when you're going to start adding the rest of the ingredients in. Okay guys, next what you want to add up is 2 onions sliced up into the pan.
Medium size.
Medium size slices, as you can see in the video.
And then
you want to add the ginger slices straight in as well.
Light brown.
And now let it cook for a while until it turns light brown. Guys, so the onions are turned light brown, and next we are going to put the masalas in.
Namak, mirch, haldi, suka dhaniya, te zeera powder.
All this will be in the description down below. So all the spices have now been added. Now give it a nice mix. Stir it up. Perfect. And then straight in goes your tomatoes.
2 tomato medium.
2 tomatoes cut into medium slices. And then next up,
a glass pani da.
1 cup of water.
Masala galan deo.
And now just cook it up for a while. And yeah, make sure you stick that lid on.
Medium heat.
Cook it on medium heat. Okay guys, so lift the lid off. And the masala's already started to form. And it's looking good, it's looking good. And now you want to add the methi in, which is the fenugreek. And then you want to put some spinach in as well.
Thodi ji spinach.
So 1 bowl of spinach. Together with the fenugreek, and then give it a nice stir. And now guys, for half an hour with the lid on, you want to cook it on medium heat.
Medium heat.
Perfect. Okay guys, so next step, lift the lid off and the methi is ready. So what you want to do is add 1 cup of milk. And then stir it. And then once again, stick the lid on and cook it for about 20 minutes. Look who's cared to join us, Sunny people. Look who's come into the kitchen as well.
Assalamu alaikum, all the viewers. Hope everybody's in good health, inshallah ta'ala.
There we are, Papa Bear.
Very nice to be in front of the camera again for you guys. And here she is, Mama Bear, cooking away.
Aloo Methi.
She's making Aloo Methi today, and I know this girl can cook good Aloo Methi, so inshallah it's going to be a tasty dish.
Assalamu alaikum.
Here's the recipe.
And then you get the other two,
Lovely.
Fufu and BK.
Right. Well,
Look at these two.
Oh,
Look at
that.
them two,
You
man.
know him. He's looking like a green mirch today.
Look at him.
Oh, bite it. Nah. You do.
Go on, bite it. Bite it.
Bite into it. What? Bite it, will ya?
I'm not biting that. Shani, go on. I'll record you. You do it.
It'd be like mirchi nu kha rahe hain.
Mirch masali.
Dad, go on, bite into it.
You must be joking. What? In mirch?
Yeah?
I like my spicy. In fact,
Give me
Come on,
the
Hero.
goddamn bit.
Hero, look, watch. Hero, watch. Here we go. Look now.
You ready for this,
Go on.
people? I'm not like these.
Just
lot.
eat it all though.
I'm not like these lot, so not all of it.
He's getting scared. Look.
At least I can bite it. These lot don't even bite it.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
ooh.
Shani, na kha.
You can't have water. We're not allowing you to have water.
Actually,
Oh,
you
it's
know,
not bad.
yeah, Mom actually puts these in the handi. Sabat. So, sabat mirch, aloo methi de vich ਖਾਣ ਦਾ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ
ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਔਰ ਨਾਲ ਚੋਪੜ ਕੇ ਰੋਟੀ so
Let's see who's next.
Not me. No, I can't eat it.
It's not that bad.
go on.
I can't bite that. No chance.
It's actually not that bad. I'm not
Shut. I'm a BK. Dad, look.
One.
No.
Dad,
Wait.
No.
That is 10 times.
Well,
my eyes ain't even watering.
looks like nobody else wants to take the challenge, so
Really?
Shani's champion.
yeah.
That's it.
Champion.
Normally you're good with spice.
No,
Champion.
not in this case.
Champion.
Yeah, coming back to the aloo methi, basically she puts in the sabat mirch as well all the time, and I love eating the mirch with that. So I can bite into the chilies once they're cooked into there.
Chili gang.
So that's the best way to do it, viewers. Chilies in the aloo methi, chopper ke roti khao maze de naal.
Maze de naal.
Wah. Moj masti karo, and we're gonna allow them to start cooking. So you continue your cooking, and we will wait patiently inside with mouth watering
Mouth watering. That's it. Tell them how much mouth watering.
aloo methi.
Tell them.
Look at these two.
Tell them. Oh no. Mouth watering.
There you go, chattu te bata.
It's getting fatter because see. Look, wait. Go on, there, look, that's one.
Breathe out. Okay guys, so the methi is ready, and the next step is to add the potatoes in. So make sure you cut them in little dices like you can see, and stick them straight into the pan.
ਹੁਣ ਆਲੂ ਤੇ ਮੇਥੀ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਭੁੰਨਣਾ ਹੈ
And now cook both items together
ਫੁੱਲ ਅੱਗ ਤੇ ਬਸ 10 ਮਿੰਟ
on full heat for 10 minutes. Okay then guys, next what you want to add is whole green chilies.
ਵਿੱਚ ਟੱਕ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਨਾ
So put a little cut into the chilies
ਹਾਂ
and then put them straight into the pan. And then you want to add
ਹਾਫ ਸਪੂਨ ਗਰਮ ਮਸਾਲਾ
half spoon garam masala as well. Now for 10 minutes guys,
ਹਲਕੀ ਅੱਗ ਤੇ
on low heat, you want to let it cook
ਬਸ
with the lid on. Okay guys, the aloo methi is ready, so go on Mama Bear. Lift the lid off.
ਇਹ ਲੁੱਕ
Perfect.
Mashallah, very good.
ਮਜ਼ੇਦਾਰ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਗਰਮ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਾ ਖਾਓ
There we are people, the aloo methi is looking fantastic. Oh yes, all thanks to Mama Bear and her wonderful cooking skills. Look at that. Oh yes. So go on then, Papa Bear.
ਲੋ ਜੀ viewers, ਇਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤਿਆਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਲੂ
ਆਲੂ
ਮੇਥੀ
ਮੇਥੀ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਸਾਰੇ ਖਾਓ ਗਰਮ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਾਲ
ਗਰਮ ਰੋਟੀ
ਸਾਰੇ ਖਾਓ ਗਰਮ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਾਲ
ਗਰਮ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਾਲ
ਔਰ ਹੁਣ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ we are gonna have a lovely meal with this aloo methi and chopri roti, which I like. You know, just to let the viewers know, there is another word for this. A lot of you will know, and it's called purji.
Purji.
So you got aloo methi,
ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਭੁਰਜੀ
and we say in Punjabi purji.
And then the English term is potatoes and fenugreek.
That's it.
ਆ ਜਾਓ ਸਾਰੇ ਭੁਰਜੀ ਖਾਓ
आओ जी पुरजी खाओ चलो पुरजी
तू भी आ गया
पुरजी खाओ पुरजी
हेलो
बस पुरजी
चट्टू आ गया चट्टू
ਭੁਰਜੀ ਖਾਓ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਭੁਰਜੀ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ
हाँ जी चट्टू
It looks tasty though, you know.
दूसरा किथे है
ਰੋਟੀ
We like
ਪਕਾਉਣੀ ਆ
it.
Okay, just to let you know.
बट्टा आ गया बट्टा
What are they? That's what
ਸ਼ਾਂਤ ਵੀ ਖਾਈ ਭੁਰਜੀ
I can't wait to eat this.
Okay, Mrs. Begum, so the
ਉਹ ਮੈਂ
next thing,
ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਕਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਣੀ ਆ ਨਾ
Mrs. Begum is going to now make some roti.
ਹਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਖਵਾਵਾਂ
And
Roti with
so what you can do is, my roti, as you can
ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਚੋਪੜ ਦਾਂਗੀ ਜੀ
yeah, that's
ਬਟਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ
it. I'll have the chopri roti. Chalo ji.
Chopri let's go
I want the itti roti.
let's do this
ਬਿਸਮਿਲ੍ਲਾ
so Mama Bear is gonna prepare the roti huh and trust me she's really good at it here we go roti number 1 Look at that. Cheers. Perfect. And bam! One roti made. Second one on the tawa.
ਗਰਮ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਾਲ
And now Mama Bear is gonna add the butter on there
ਚੋਪੜ ਦੇਣੀ ਆ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ
for Papa Bear. Look at that. Straight away Dad comes to check it out.
Now that's what you call a chopri roti.
Oh yes. So the butter's on and with aloo methi. Dad's gonna enjoy that.
Oh, certainly am. And inshallah, I think the viewers will enjoy it as well.
Oh yes. Perfect. And that's your roti number 2 with butter. Look at that puff, Daddy.
ਫੁਲਕਾ ਬਣਿਆ
yes.
ਫੁਲਕਾ
Puffed up. Look at that.
ਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਚੋਪੜ ਨਹੀਂ
Woo. Oh yes. Bit of butter. Job done. Good stuff.
Mashallah, this is going good. So, how far are we away from
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ
eating?
ਖਾ ਲਓ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਖਾਣ ਦੇਣੀ
So I think what I'm going to do is,
ਆ ਜਾ
I've just got to get stuck in.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's do this.
So viewers, come on.
Let's go. Let's
We'll have
go.
our feast.
Come on then.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna get Mama Bear and Papa Bear to try the aloo methi first.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure Dad is gonna absolutely love it as usual.
As usual. There's my honey mirch.
Yep, so Dad's got the green chili as well.
Yeah.
Perfecto. There's
So,
the
there we go.
buttered up roti.
Mashallah, we're going to give this a try now.
Go for it, Pops.
But what it is, I've tried it before, so I
Exactly,
know.
so many times.
So, Bismillah Rahman Rahim.
Go for it.
Let's give it a
ਆ ਜਾਓ
taste.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਖਾਓ
Okay.
Here we go. We're just waiting patiently for Dad to give the decision.
What do you think? Mashallah, delicious.
There we are.
ਬਹੁਤ ਮਜ਼ੇਦਾਰ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ
Oh yes.
ਟੀਪੂ ਖਾ
And that was gonna obviously happen because Mama Way is amazing in the kitchen.
Chopri roti with aloo methi. Magnificent.
ਖਾ ਕੇ
Magnificent. So go on, BK. BK wants a taste. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Nice.
That's nice, got a sting to it as well.
Oh yes. Go for it, Fufu man.
No,
What do you think, Fufu?
ਖਾਣੇ ਖਾ ਲਓ
it
ਤੁਸੀਂ
is beautiful.
There we are.
We'll be eating in a bit.
Dad, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਾ ਲਓ ਚਲੋ
ਖਾ ਕੇ
ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਖਾ ਲੈਣਾ. It's my turn to eat as well.
ਖਾ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਾਈਸ ਬਣੀ ਮਜ਼ੇਦਾਰ
And as usual, fantastic. Mama Bear never fails to impress in the kitchen. Trust me.
That's for you, Dad. Thank you. And that's for you, Mom.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਬੱਚੇ
Well done, Fufu.
For the day.
Good deed of the day. Shukara. You enjoying it?
Man, I'm loving it.
ਬਹੁਤ ਨਾਈਸ ਬਣੀ ਮਜ਼ੇਦਾਰ
ਅੱਛਾ ਜੀ viewers ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ next dish ਕੀ ਹੈ?
ਨੈਕਸਟ ਮੇਰੀ ਡਿਸ਼ ਹੈ
Any ideas?
ਹੁਣ ਸਵੀਟ ਡਿਸ਼
Sweet dish.
ਗਾਜਰ ਦਾ ਹਲਵਾ
Sweet dish and most likely, mashallah, it'll be gajar da halwa.
Oh yes.
ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਖਾ ਕੇ
There we are. Make sure you let us know.
Aloo methi banao te khoob khao.
ਪੇਟ ਭਰ ਕੇ ਖਾਓ
Okay guys, so that was once again amazing from Mama Bear being in the kitchen preparing some amazing aloo methi, which
Thank
is
you very much.
potato fenugreek.
Thank you.
So I hope every single one of you enjoyed that video. Make sure you give this recipe a go. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. You
Zarur
will
khana.
enjoy it. I guarantee you that. So make sure, give it a go. Papa Bear, as usual, wisdom words. Do you want to say anything?
Most definitely. I've always got something to say for the viewers.
I do indeed.
We love you, and we love you for
Indeed.
supporting us and enjoying our channel and this lady's
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
cooking.
ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
And-
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਭ ਦਾ
Thank you for your
I love
thumbs
you
up.
all
Thank you for your subscriptions, your viewings, and for your thumbs up and those beautiful comments. Keep them coming.
Keep
Well,
them coming.
thank
Don't
you.
stop. Keep them coming. Keep
That's
them
enough,
flowing.
everyone.
But until then, it's
I
gonna
love
be
you all.
lots and lots of
Happy.
love from Shani's
Happy.
world and the family. And please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. Keep hitting those thumbs up.
Yeah.
And inshallah, we will see you in the next one.
What do they say? Angoote uche. Angoote
thank
uche.
you thank you
Allah Hafiz. Lots and lots of love. Allah Hafiz to all the beautiful people. Let's do
Thank
this.
you.